So let's see. Right now, I need to change a few things. Like the engine now is locked in place. So next thing that I want to do is to put the magneto and close this one, put the timing, and just leave it ready. Of course, later on I need to do it dynamically, but I'm gonna do this the magneto timing only stationary, like this right now. Let's see, this one, this spring has been chopped, like here. There is the holding mount for the engine here. But in this case, right now I'm gonna do it like this, from here to here. To use this one, and then here. This one got broken. Or they chop it too, I don't know. Like there it should be something, and yeah, there is not. So yeah, that's not good. So yeah, it looks like it's here, was it, and they chop it. I don't know, it looks like it. I checked the other frame, and the other frame has it. Like, wait, so to show it, yeah, so I'm missing that thing, and this little pointy thing there. So I need to make one. Yes, so that's on the list. And yeah, let's just start first with the magneto and then move on with the rest, poco a poco. So there we go. Right now the magneto is back in place. Let's see. This engine, I made it. Wait, I'm gonna put this one down. Voila. Okay. Let's shut it off before I leave it. Oh, okay. So let's see. This engine is the first one I ever made. British one, I mean. This one I made it, I think, in 2013 or 14. That was the first engine I ever rebuilt. So yeah, well, no, the first engine, but British engine. They say it that, yeah. And yes, I'm sure that once it's running, it's gonna happen the same as the T140, that the springs, because it has been like, yeah, more than 10 years without running, and under pressure for sure the springs are tired, and I will check the compression, but yeah, sometimes they look right, and then after running just a few minutes, then they start to give problems, and most of the time it's the valve springs, but we will see. Anyway, I'm gonna try it. Yeah, but right now I was checking, and I have this one. Yes, and it's good. The only thing is that now I'm missing this plate here, the one that you put here underneath. There are two, and I missed those. Yes, I don't have these parts. I need to order them. And now what I was thinking is like, oh, I have the carburetor. I can put it on too. And then later on I can start to check for this little thing here for the gearbox, and maybe make this plate here and weld the gas tank so I can feed it, and then see if I like it enough or not. So let's see. So poco a poco it's getting back together. Unfortunately I cannot do the timing as I wanted, but hey, it's fine. Let's put the cover back, and oh yeah, I found this one. I don't know if I have a second one, but they look cool, and I think I'm gonna use it for the not for me, but to have it as a second for the second person. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's go. found this one, it fits in here, so that's good. I can weld it back here, that's one. And then this one, I put those just to take the measurement, and I will make a blade from steel, and yeah, I just solder from here to here, and voila. And then once this is done, I'm gonna check the gas tank, that one there, because it has a few holes. It must be proper weld, and then once it's welded, then I'm gonna try to lock it in place, because I need to make brackets too. So we will shoot poco a poco. There we goes. Let's see, let's try to show it. There we go. Yes, so now it's welded in place. I just pointed like, and there we go. Now I'm gonna put this one out, weld it underneath, weld it on the top. I will not go around, all around, because maybe in the future, when I build back again the bike, like I want it right now, as I said before, I'm just gonna make it that it runs, that I can ride it, because I want to ride it. But once I'm back in Spain, I'm gonna rebuild the motorcycle completely, like take it in 1,000 pieces and build it up as I really want it to build it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna fix it in place, so later on in the future, if I want to cut it out, it's easier for me. So voila, let's go, let's do that, and then move on with this plate and then the gas tank. So let's go. So there it goes. This is the plate. Of course, it's rough, but that's the idea, okay? And now I'm gonna refine it and put the rings here and underneath here, make this one round and nice, and then just leave it like that. Yes. So let's make it. This is the end result. Right now I'm just gonna leave it like this, because I will not put more effort. As I said before, this is just to hold it in place. It doesn't need to be really nice or something, so it's not a show bike yet. But yeah, so this one they're gonna go like this, and that's the end results. Okay, so right now let's take the gas tank. It's all bent up, you can see, and I'm gonna ride it like this, and I will not put any protection on it. I will just put a coating of oil so it doesn't rust all through. And right now I need to, let's see, I think it was there, somewhere else, and there, yeah, and I don't know where else. I think this was the big one. I think there and there, that's for sure. And then I need to try But besides that, it looks good, it looks nice. But yeah, it's all banged up, my idea was to put like Triumph, a sticker on it, and then make it rust, and then let it rust like completely, and then here take the sticker off, make a protection on it, and then this one will be like later on the Triumph. You will see it rusty too, but less rusty. I don't know if I explain myself, but you will see. So there we go. Let's try to show it. Let's see if it wants to react to it. Yeah, my phone it's yeah. Anyways, let's try to show it anyways like this. So right now, this gas tank, of course, is not the original one, and it's not the one that I'm going to use once I rebuild the completely the motorcycle. I'm gonna put another one. But this one I had it now for quite some time, and it's good from the inside. Only had those two holes that I just closed, and besides that, yeah, bang there. I don't know. I like the line of it. So yeah, now I need to make a place to hold it in place here at the rear, but this is gonna be the place. Wait a minute, a little bit higher. Yeah, I thought so. So yeah, like this is the line that I want to. Here is free, it's just barely free, so that's good. Underneath it's gonna be rubber, and here I'm gonna hold it in place, and that's all. So voila, yeah, that's what's going on with this one. And it looks nice, I like it. So yeah, that's all for this weekend. Maybe tomorrow I come to the garage, but we will see. Tomorrow Saturday, but I need to do some things, so I don't think I'm gonna make it. But if I make it, then this video will get longer, and otherwise, see you next weekend. Ciao, ciao.